Hey JD, Patrick and Adam here in our corporate headquarters in Sandy, Utah. Today we just thought we'd make a video for you because we have a very important message for you. Again, we take great pride in our relationship with CenturyLink. We've come a long way. We think we've got great potential for the future. Our pipeline is growing, but we have a few thoughts that we wanted to share with you today.
Absolutely. Every once in a while it becomes a pivotal moment in a partnership. We saw this happen back in 2011 with Comcast, where they selected Telarus as a national master. As a result, we've had phenomenal success. We've built into that relationship, invested, and from an operational standpoint, actually do better than any other master in the country. Now is a pivotal moment with our CenturyLink partnership. I think you've seen our base grow, our pipeline growing, we're investing, doing great things. But this pivotal moment now is this time of base roll. And the reason it's critical is because we know as an organization we must produce at least $200,000 a month in MRR to be at the top of our game with CenturyLink. Second, we know that bases produce revenue, meaning when a partner transfers their base somewhere, the new revenue is going to follow. We know many of our partners who are direct with CenturyLink want to work with Telarus. They want to use our tools, our resources, but they also don't want a bad deal. They don't want to take a step backward and have an inferior commission, have an inferior support structure, anything else. So we're doing a lot to bridge that. We need a couple things from you that we've outlined in business cases for each one of these. Before we do that, we want to walk around and show you some of the unique aspects of Telarus and the reasons why they want to partner with us. And then wrap up with a couple things that we think you can do as you read through these business cases. So let's go around, take a look, and meet some of the people at Telarus.
Let's do this. JD, I'd like to introduce you to Nicole Enoch. She's the person in charge of our base management group.
Hi, JD. Nice to meet you.
As our Director of Account Management, Nicole is in charge of the group that takes over bases for partners and sells on their behalf. Uses white labeling to do it under their brand, and what that means is we're able to sell into that base advanced services, new services, cross-selling, upselling, a lot of the things that partners are not doing because their sales background wants them to go and find new logos, which we want them to do. So if we can manage their base, we get more sales, longer life of customer, most importantly, new logos coming in. This is one of the fastest growing areas of the company, and we think a lot of the CenturyLink partners are going to take advantage of this, as they already have in some of their other base.
All right, JD, now we're going to go check out solution sales. We think a lot of the people there will be a little familiar for you. Yeah. All right, let's go. Levon, how's it going?
Hey, good. Thanks, guys.
Hey, JD, this is Levon Edwards, our Director of Solution Sales.
You know, Levon runs the team that goes into MSPs, organizations that don't have a telecom practice, and makes them sing. Levon has been doing this for quite a while. In fact, his background is from CenturyLink. How long were you at CenturyLink?
17 years with CenturyLink.
So, Director of enterprise sales teams there?
Yeah. I ran the enterprise sales team in the Intermountain West. So worked with a lot of the larger enterprise type customers, banks, credit unions, that sort of thing.
And what do you have in your hand?
So this is an MSP that we're actually working with right now. So MicroAge has got a great IT practice. They've got a customer that they want to get on the phone with us and talk about the solution and what they were looking to do. So we put together a few different design concepts for them. This customer's looking at ways to connect their locations together. They're also moving to a data center environment. So we're entertaining CenturyLink in providing the MPLS connections, also the internet connections, and then doing SD-WAN and interconnecting the locations together that way.
You know, interesting thing about MicroAge is they've been partnered with multiple master agents in the past, but it was when Levon's team went into the organization and held their hand and went to the end user with them to sell. Right. I believe you pulled, was it $80,000 in December?
Yeah, we had a few significant deals to end the year off, and the thing that was really nice about it is the MSPs get us on the phone with their end customer. We get a chance to collaborate, understand what that customer's environment looks like today, what challenges and pain points that they have, and then we're able to really design a solution that meets their needs from a performance standpoint, from a price standpoint, from a redundancy standpoint. And so yeah, we closed the year off great with some nice significant sales. But we really like that opportunity to collaborate with the customer and find the right solution that makes the most sense. Our MSPs learn as they hear us asking questions about the customer's current environment and then figuring out how we design the solution that meets their needs and requirements.
And again, these are MSPs that have no telecom practice
Exactly.
prior to working with us.
Exactly. They know their data infrastructure really well. They sell switches and routers and data center type connections and things, but they don't know the telco piece. So we bring that to them. And after a while, I think the reps really start to see how it works, and they'll be able to, do more of this stuff on their own. But we give them that head start, and it builds a lot of confidence with their customer when we can show them that, hey, we've got experience doing this, we've done this before, we can, find that right solution for you.
Excellent. Thanks for your time, Levon.
Thanks.
Solution sales, big key to our success, expanding the channel market. How about we go talk to IT real fast?
Let's do it.
Thanks.
JD, we're here with one of the most special people that work at Telarus, one of the most unique individuals, Michael Brown, head of IT.
Hi, JD.
So Michael runs our IT organization, which covers all of our unique tools, our secret sauce, GeoQuote, fiber mapping, data center mapping, all the goodies we have in the back office for our partners. In addition to that, you can see VX Suite, so circuit monitoring, behind the firewall monitoring, all the goodness we're adding to our partners to help them spend more time with their customers and add more value to their customers as a third-party advisor comes right here. This is what makes Telarus unique, and one of the reasons partners want to continue to work with us if they should roll their bases.
Yeah, this data gives partners access to information that they absolutely need to be legitimate cloud brokers now and in the future. And as you can tell by his shirt, VX Suite, Michael was actually part of the acquisition when Telarus actually bought the whole entire VX company, including the software. So now Michael manages both the VX software and the Telarus software that we built prior to the acquisition. So we're excited to have you, Michael.
I'm very excited to be here, and I think you'll find that the Telarus tools can really add a lot of value to your business and to your customers' businesses as well.
Thank you.
All right, let's head back downstairs and wrap up.
JD, thanks so much for your time and watching this video and taking our virtual tour. We've talked a little bit to account management, solution sales, IT, all three departments that really make Telarus unique. But even with all those unique features, partners still want to partner with us on CenturyLink on even playing field.
Absolutely. They want to make sure they're getting a good deal and not being left behind. So we're going to meet them. What Telarus can do is step up our resources for them. What we can also do is guarantee that they get the same protection that an elite partner gets right now, which is 4 years rather than 2. We're going to guarantee that extra 2 years because it's important for them. Where we can't meet them is where we're currently at 1714. So that's one thing we're going to ask for you on a few situations. We hope you'll consider that and a few other things. We think it's very minor financially, as we discussed at Channel Partners in Vegas, but we think it's a big marketing statement to them that they will not be left behind, but they can grow. As a result, Telarus and CenturyLink continue on the trajectory we're on. You have another phenomenally producing partner and exceptional growth to your great program that's taking place now. Thanks for your consideration. Thanks for looking at the business cases we put together. Give us a call if you got any questions.
Thanks, JD. We look forward to being a top partner, if not the top partner, in the near future. Thanks.